Hey guys, JDubsRW here, and today I'm going to showcase my video game collection. Yes. What? I'm a dog. You don't think I'm a dog? You think I'm just videotaping my dog? No, I'm a dog. Okay, I'm not a dog. Yeah, Roxy's. We tried rehearsing, but I don't know. She's ashamed of me. She's not a good actor. Look at her. See the shame in her eyes? Shame in her awful performance. Okay, let's just get started. Just gonna kind of go through my games. Fallout 3. It's really cool. I suggest it to everybody. Please go get Fallout 3. It's amazing. RPG. I'm gonna kind of mention the genres so you guys know what to expect. Halo Reach. I would suggest it if Halo 4 weren't already out, but you know, might as well. I mean, I think the price is down, so might as well. Ratchet & Clank: A Crack in Time. I like Ratchet & Clank, but this is probably my least favorite Ratchet & Clank game, so yeah, I don't really suggest this. Fallout New Vegas. Just kind of feels like an expansion to Fallout 3. Not much to say about it. It's pretty cool, I guess. Borderlands 2. Pretty amazing. If you like shooters and RPGs, you'll probably like Borderlands 2. Dragon Age 2. I heard that Dragon Age Origins is like 10 times better, so I'm gonna get that. And this one wasn't that fun, so I still don't have Dragon Age Origins, but I'm gonna get it. So Dragon Age 2, can't really say I want to suggest that to anybody. Metal Gear Solid 4, can't really say much about this, but the multiplayer is fun and pretty difficult. Borderlands 1, I like Borderlands 2 better, but Borderlands is a platinum hit. Apparently, it hits you in the face with its platinum. Dragon's Dogma. This could have been a really good game, but it kind of failed on a bunch of stuff. If you want to, you can go check out an angry review by the Angry Joe Show. I'll leave a link in the description and an annotation and everything to go to his review on Dragon's Dogma. It's like 20 minutes or so, so it's kind of long, but if you want to know more about that, go there. Sonic Generations, probably the best game in my library, I would say. No, it's not, but you know, it's probably the best modern Sonic, in my opinion. Battlefield 3, Limited Edition. I paid like $100 for this. I think I paid just as much for the limited edition as anybody would for the regular edition, so I don't really see what the difference is, but yeah, Battlefield 3. Not much to say other than I like it a lot more than Modern Warfare 3. That game's stupid. Oh, this is awkward. Okay. Yeah, Skyrim. Pretty cool. It's okay. I mean, yeesh, it's whatever. I'm just kidding. Skyrim's amazing. Everybody should get it. It's a must-have. RPG. Kind of swords and bows and arrows and stuff. Saints Row the Third. It's okay. I hear Saints Row 2 is a lot better, so if you're thinking about getting Saints Row, you should probably get Saints Row 2 if you don't already have it. This game is a lot of sex jokes and stuff, so just prepare for that, I guess. Little Big Planet 2 is really just an expansion to Little Big Planet 1. I mean, the cover is almost exactly the same. So, you know, Little Big Planet. It's a jumper, I guess. Final Fantasy 13. By far, the best Final Fantasy sequel ever. No, it's not. But I think it gets too much bad criticism. It really doesn't deserve it that much. But I don't deny that it's not that good of a game. I got stuck in it personally. Kind of far into it, like on the last disc, so I'm kind of disappointed about that. But if you want to get a Final Fantasy game, get Final Fantasy VII. It's on the PSN, PlayStation Network. I got it, so. Dirt 3, it's pretty cool if you like racing games. Got it in this cheap GameStop case, so yeah, not much to show, but I like Dirt 2 better personally. But if you like racing games, pick up Dirt 3. Fairy Tale Fights, it's a goofy game. I don't really suggest it to anybody, but if you want to get a good laugh, play with your friends, I think it's pretty cheap. It's probably cheaper than that by now, but yeah, it's pretty stupid. You're just fairy tale characters killing stuff and bunnies and whatever. It's pretty stupid. Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm 2. Yes, pretty awesome. Suggest this to any Naruto fans, or any fighter fans for that matter. Really awesome. Then I got Storm 1, which is cool too. Grand Theft Auto 4. Not much to say about this other than I think it's boring, and I personally don't like it. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens with that franchise. Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm Generations. This is after 2. A lot of spoiler alerts on this one if you're not caught up with Naruto, so be wary of that. But again, if you're a Naruto fan, it's amazing. Guild Wars 2. Yes. I might do a whole video on this game, but for now I'll just mention it's a MMORPG for the PC, and I'll also mention that I can't friggin' play it yet. I have to get a whole new computer in order to play this game, because my laptop does not meet the system requirements. Hooray. But yes, Guild Wars 2. Probably do a video on that. Then I got some games that I got with my PS3. Uncharted 1 and 2 and Infamous 1 and 2. And then I have a DS with Pokemon White. No, I don't have White 2 or Black 2. And I got a couple other games, but nothing worth mentioning. I think that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.